a regular car. And this was built for hill climbing by Brits Duncan and Donald Lane using a Maguire kit. Maguire produced kits for multi-sports races, but people then modified them. And this car, through its long motor, 60 in just 7.5 seconds in 1958, and hit 125 mile an hour top speed. And it gave power because the supercharger worked 60 in under 7 seconds, and it did 130 miles an hour. But one magazine described the way the power came in as being like a punch in the kidneys. And if that power came in when you were in the middle of a corner, it could have devastating results. The other thing was durability. BMW recommended that you change the oil every 2,000 miles. So an expensive car to run. It was cancelled after just 1,672 were made. And it would be several years later that, interestingly, they chose to launch a car with a V8 engine. This engine had started life in the 288 GTA, which had been homologated for VP, but they may be called away at any moment to anywhere around the world which they can get to without refueling. Brains was inspired by the early 90s Toyota Previa. It was designed for the Toyota. Beautiful interior, like a 1970s penthouse apartment. I absolutely love it. And if you make it onto the Citroen stand, they've got an incredibly beautiful one with a brown leather interior and a metallic green paint finish. 2.7 finally was increased to 2.9 towards the end of production. And they had stripy roof and orange stripy seats. And they had a set of decals applied that said 007 with a Rover to develop this system, and this provided a car that handled brilliantly. Tony Pond said this was the best handling rally car he ever drove. And it featured something that no other rally car in the world had. An engine designed specifically for rally, a 3-litre V6, huge reserve range torque, spin, and no turbo lag. Twin turbo configuration. It was just a fun car, and then he hit them with the idea that this could be their contender in rallying, and eventually they signed up to it. They won the Monte Carlo Rally in 93 and 94. This was a special edition designed to celebrate that fact. This is GKN had a subsidiary in Japan called Tokyo Fuji Sanyo, and they made Ferguson components for Japanese cars. This is one of the more exciting ones. It's a driveline for the four-wheel drive Nissan Sunny to create a Nissan other story. A big thank you to the Ferguson display. Decided to stop the race at just a third of the distance. Senna felt he could have won the race. Nevertheless, that podium in those conditions caused the world to take notice of Senna, and Ron Dennis said that that was the moment where he thought perhaps one day in the future he would sign. Disappointed. Bentley was massively successful in the 1920s, winning the Le Mans 24 hours, and into the early 1930s 4 times. And this is the legendary Blower Bentley. 4.5-litre supercharged, 240 brake horsepower in racing trim from 1931. But W.O. Bentley didn't approve of supercharging, saying it would make his car unreliable. Come on. Oh. Thank you very much, sir. This has a 4-litre turbo V8 developed by Malcolm Wilson's M Sport team. It has a Hart 415T 4-cylinder turbo engine, but it was way down on power. I think Candy made washing machines, didn't they? Italian company. Made in the USA and 1.5 million in other factories around the world, including one in Old Trafford, Manchester. It's incredibly difficult. He was driving at his knees, I think.
Boot the Jaguar.
1, 2, 3, the back, 4 pound flat. 5, 6, 7 pound, 8 pound flat. 9, 10, 11 pound. Then we have a 1955 Jaguar D-Type, followed by a 1960 Jaguar Mark 9. Jaguar, and you can race it. A novice racing series. Rookie drivers aged over 40 to 6, giving 245 brake horsepower, 5-speed gearbox or auto, and acclaimed by an Italian supercar maker. But it had a claimed top speed of 158 miles an hour. One of the most luxurious and exciting 2x2 GT cars in the world at the time.
Yeah, I prefer that.
Ways to the one that appears in the XJ12 and for the four-cam heads. Norman Dewis did most of the development work on that. He's still going strong. Ladies and gentlemen, the show will continue until 5 o'clock this evening, so please take the opportunity to go around and see as much of the show as you possibly can. Are they going to take off? Are they going to take off?